here. So I'm back to do a Yeezy review. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I do luxury, lifestyle, beauty related videos. Interested in luxury, beauty, lifestyle type things, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will continue to review shoes that I feel like my subscribers would be into. The holiday season, there were 3 Yeezy Boost 350 releases. Lime, like the yellow colorway, that was the first. That was actually the most exclusive of the 3. Then on November 24th, there was this colorway, which are the grays, and I have them right here. So here, these are, which these I did really want. I was not able to cop these. These are not mine. These are my boyfriend's. He was able to cop it. He actually got a couple pair, but I was able to cop my size. Then recently, which was last Saturday, the December 16th, was the Blue Tint colorway. This actually was the ones that I wanted the most. So when they first announced that they were going to release these 3 different colorways, I was like, okay, if I can't get the other 2, I'll survive. I'll be okay. But the Blue Tints, I was like, I got to have these Blue Tints, and I was able to cop them. Thank the Lord. But and there's the thing with Yeezy releases, because people sometimes, you guys will ask me on videos and on Instagram, like some of my friends will sometimes ask me to get this colorway. I was able to get these because my boyfriend entered a raffle giveaway. It's a store that's in DC that had this color, they had a raffle. He entered my shoe size and won. So that's how I was able to get those. Now, as far as my other ones, and I'll just tell you guys, because you know that's what YouTube is all about, is trying to help people, and that's the main reason why I have this channel, is to help people. So people ask me, how do you get your Yeezys? This is the thing, you have to be on it. Okay, if you want, okay, when I say get them, meaning purchase for retail, you have to be on it. Like, you have to enter the raffles. What I think what works, and I'm no sneakerhead, so if you're watching this video thinking that I'm a sneakerhead, I'm telling you right now, I'm not. So if you want to be critical, this is what, in my experience, and people that I know that get the shoes, what they do. So you have to do the raffles. The raffles that I think people need to go to or enter is the in-store raffles. So like if you have a Shoe City or Finish Line or whatever you go to buy your tennis shoes, if they're having an in-store raffle for Yeezys, enter those raffles and do as many as you can. Those, your odds will be better. Now, you also have to, if they're having a release online, let's say Adidas is having a release online, you should already have logged into your Adidas account, so you can purchase shoes from the site. I did it. My cream Yeezys I got from the site. Then you can also purchase shoes resale. Okay, so like let's say someone has, won a raffle or whatever, and they purchased a shoe and it was not in their size, they may sell them. My thing with that is, if you're gonna do that, make sure that you're gonna be able to get your money back, where if you do that transaction, do it via PayPal. So these release it for $220 retail, and I've seen them on the resale market for $340. Now, is that a markup? Yes, but it's not twice as much as a markup. Where love this colorway. Personally, I think it's like effeminate. I'm not saying if you're a man you can't get this shoe, but I just love the soft powder blue color. I love, like, with this like orangey lettering. I'm saying orangey because it's not a straight up orange. So far, I think it's like actually the most effeminate of the Yeezys that have released. So that's probably why I love these so much. Now, I do regret, well, I'm not saying regret. It is unfortunate that I was not able to cop these, the grays, because these are so cute, you guys. And if you don't own a pair of Yeezys, they're just really the most freaking comfortable shoes. They're so freaking comfortable. But yeah, these are similar, but they're different enough where I wouldn't have felt bad about getting 2 pairs, because I don't like to have something that's like so similar to something else with handbags or anything. But that is it for this review. I was all over the place, but like I said, I'm not a shoe person. This isn't a, with my other shoe reviews, I'm a little more technical and to the point and all of that. But you know, we're just here chit-chatting. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Follow me on all of my social media. I am Kellie Corinne on Instagram. Excuse me, I'm Kellie Corinne _ on Instagram. I am Kellie Corinne _ on Twitter. And my Snapchat is Chanel and Chic. See you guys later. Bye-bye.